Hey, welcome back to my channel. What are today's messages and what do we need to hear today? The body is your temple. Keep it pure and clean for the soul to reside in. Action. Protect the gates to your temple by setting clear boundaries. Learn to prioritize self-care and give yourself permission to say no. All right, which item has our quotes today? Let's pick this one today. We build too many walls and not enough bridges. I'll look back on this and smile because it was life and I decided to live it. Never tell me the sky's the limit when there are footprints on the moon. And the last one today. The most difficult thing is the decision to act. The rest is merely tenacity. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.